I'm back from beating the kids at the orphanage. Everything you know about TikTok is a lie. I want you to have that in mind while I show you how to use hashtags properly with these 3 steps to break the TikTok algorithm like I do. Type shit. Enough with the yapping. Step number 1. Hashtags do not go viral. I've seen many people spamming hashtags, 30 plus hashtags, thinking that this is what will get them viral. But of course not. What hashtags do is actually categorize your content. And I'm not a guru, I'm not trying to sell anything. Trust me. How they actually help you go viral is by categorizing your content to the algorithm, and when the algorithm pushes your video to more and more people, it will have the exact information it needs to push your piece of content to the right people. And if the right people see your piece of content, they're gonna interact with it, which will lead to more viewers. I'm gonna tell you and show you examples of how you can pick hashtags and which are the best hashtags you can pick. Step number 2, choose the right hashtags and the right number of hashtags. First of all, the number. I would personally say you should go for around 5 hashtags, but this is not a strict rule, of course. It's a rule of thumb, a general rule. So let's say you're gonna upload a video about cars. What I would do, and what I actually did and got millions of views, type shit, is actually picking 2 hashtags that are general and viral in a sense, hashtag FYP, hashtag viral video, and then 2 or 3 hashtags that are very specific to the video and your niche. So if it is about a Ford, you should put the hashtag Ford, and the exact model maybe, if it has enough videos. You should go for 1 million plus. That's how you pick the best hashtags. And I say 5 because it works for me and for my students. Step number 3, use the 1, 2, 3 strat. I'm gonna show you examples as well, don't worry. So the 1, 2, 3 is what I call. Let's say you upload 3 videos per day. It's important because it will make it more clear. So one of the videos should have the 5 hashtags like I said before. The second video should have spam hashtags. And for the third video, use 0 hashtags. And of course, we suppose that all these 3 videos are equal in quality. For example, this is an account I own. I don't anymore because I sold it. Let's sort it out by popular. And as you can see, these are like crazy views. Like they are older, of course. I have a newer one. I'm gonna show you these as well. So there I have 2 general ones and 4 very specific ones, and I did use this strategy for a long time because it was getting me lots of views. But then at some point I believed I was shadow banned. So here, as you can see, a video with 2.3 million views. It was at a time when I was getting nothing from views, and as you can see, I changed even the style of the content, which is a good thing to do if you're shadow banned. So here I used no hashtags, and as you can see here, for example, this one as well, not even the description, and it got 2.6 million views, when at that point I was getting 50k on average. Here I changed the strategy again because I saw, okay, my account is doing fine, I can test things out. And this is a bit later when I was using Adobe to edit, and I used the classic strategy, 2 general and 3 very specific, and the video has 3 million views. And here again I was shadow banned, I remember, and I started doing stitches, which revived my account. It started the whole new trend with my content. For my hashtag strategy, I used 4 generic viral hashtags with lots of videos. And if we go to more videos where I did stitches, because I believe this can also help you get unshadow banned. Again, a stitch, which is again for the same viral hashtags. And my current account, which has 1400 followers with 13 videos. And imagine that in Greece there are only 3 million active users on TikTok. These numbers are very good in Greece. And my strategy is the exact same. I have 3 generic and 2 specific ones. I do the same in every single video. This is the current strategy that I believe works the best, basically. So yeah, that's why I believe the 1, 2, 3 strategy works, because you might not know that you're shadow banned, or maybe your videos can reach more viewers if you use no hashtags, or if you use 4 generic hashtags like these videos reached because they were generic videos. So this is everything you need to know about hashtags. You don't have to watch any other guru. You can have me, the best guru on YouTube. So yeah, I probably cannot put recommended videos because of the aspect ratio. It's cinematic. If you want to, go subscribe and check my other videos out. I'm sure there are plenty that are gonna help you. So see you down there. Whoa, pause.